Namaste, I'm Dr. Palan. I welcome you to this course on enhancing sports performance through developing mind skills. You know, every sport, indoor or outdoor, individual or group sport, every sport is actually a mind game. Whatever you play with your brain. So developing mind skills will certainly enhance your performance. This course is specially designed for young sports enthusiasts, but the techniques taught here are equally useful to professional players and elite athletes. Once again, I welcome you to this online Samatvam Institute for mind-body healing, healthy living and realizing human potential. We at Samatvam follow a philosophy which says that we are blessed with the tools, let's cow ourselves. You know, as human beings, we are blessed with three divine means, very powerful tools. Number one, this miraculous human body. Number two, human mind with immeasurable potential. And number three, intellect. You know, the amount of intellect and the kind of intellect which we possess as human beings, no other animal on this planet possesses. So if we learn to utilize our body, mind and intellect in the right way for the right purpose, we can certainly cow ourselves. Developing mind skills for enhancing sports performance. Dr. Pooja and myself both are going to conduct this course jointly. Let me give you overview of the course first. We know that for you, my sport is my world. Every sport person, the entire world is his or her game, his or her sport. And for becoming a successful sports person, you need intense patience, strict discipline, hard work. You need strength and skills. You need sharpness and grit to perform, even in the most adverse situation. For enhancing sports performance, in sports psychology, many scientists have suggested different techniques like relaxation, goal setting, focus, self-talk, imagery. So there are various techniques suggested by different scientists in sports psychology for enhancing sports performance. Self-hypnosis is a beautiful scientific combination of all these techniques. So we can call self-hypnosis is a master tool, master technique. And in this course, you are going to learn this master tool. In this course, you will learn to create the self-hypnotic state, do self-hypnosis. Going into the self-hypnotic state by yourself. You will learn it practically with thorough theoretical background of the entire science of hypnosis. And through several very simple but very effective techniques, you will learn to utilize that self-hypnotic state for stress management, resilience building, skill building, performance enhancement, and faster healing from the injuries. When you practice these techniques regularly, you will develop winner's mindset or flow state. Being in the zone, we call it, while you are playing. And when you are in the zone, when you are in the flow state while you are playing, your performance improves with less effort. And it is known as relaxed effectiveness. So, gradually, by practicing various techniques, you will be able to achieve the flow state and maintain the flow state while you are playing. There are 3 modules in this course. In module 1, you will learn basics about the functioning of human mind, about mind-body relationship, and practically you will learn to prepare your mind for reprogramming of your subconscious so that you can utilize the subconscious potentials for various purposes. In module 2, you will identify specific skills which you need to develop, like stamina, focus, consistency, confidence, assertiveness. Different sports persons require different specific skills, whatever you are lacking. So you will identify what are the skills which you need to develop. You will create specific, positive and clear goals. They are called developmental goals. They help you in developing whatever qualities you need to develop. And you will learn to work on these goals using specific self-hypnotic techniques. Over and above these things, in module 2, we have given a special session for your parents, and you may request your parents to go through that session. We'll be guiding them how can they be a very positive and better support to your progress. And in module 3, you will learn some advanced techniques for enhancing skills. You will learn stress management and you will learn pain management and how can you heal your body injuries faster. Overall, in the entire course, there are 14 guided downloadable self-hypnotic sessions for developing different skills. You will download them in your own device so that you can practice wherever you want to practice, whenever you want to practice those sessions. There will be clear guidance about which technique is to be applied, where, and how many times you are supposed to do that. All the detailed guidance is given. So ultimately you will achieve balanced mind with energetic body. If I enumerate objectives of this program, it will increase and maintain strength and stamina. It will enhance your motivation and determination to achieve your goal. It will improve your concentration and boost your self-confidence. You will learn some specific techniques for working on developing specific skills which you have identified or which are suggested by your coach. You will learn to remain relaxed and face adversity calmly, giving appropriate response in any adverse situation. You will learn to manage pain, physical pain, effectively and enhance the healing process. Plus, there will be guidance to your parents. So, these are the objectives of the course. So, believe in yourself. And let's begin this beautiful journey of your transformation and turn your dreams into reality, unfold your full potential, and achieve success. I welcome you to begin this course.